Hey guys, we're back with another episode of Animal Jam, and we're here with Magical the Jammer 8. To the world. And, Minecraft news. I think this is going to be the very last episode of Animal Jam for this series, because this is the very first season of Animal Jam. It's only going to be 7 episodes long, so I'm gonna take a break until I get to about 15 subscribers. And note, this is not the last video I will make for the season. Once I get 13 subscribers, I will start making another series, and this time it'll be for 10 episodes, and then next season 13, and then eventually all the way up to 15 episodes per season, and it will stay like this for a long time, as long as this will happen. And I just want to say, oh, where's my bodyguard? Where's my bodyguard, Lee Bear? Freddy Bear. Get away, fans. We have to fiddle back up, I forgot. Oh, no, that can't be. That looks like a little Einstein. OMG. OMG, a little Einstein. Little end. If she sings a song, if she sings a song, then we'll know if it's a little Einstein or not. So just let me just say, I can speak in this video. I can speak in this video. So there. Oh no! Little Einstein! OMG. Oh my gosh. No. Only the cool boys in my class are allowed to sing Little Einsteins. Cool boys in my class are allowed to sing. Never mind. I don't know what to do, really. I mean, like, come on. Little Einsteins, this is lame. Let's see, things to do. Oh, that's better. How about let's go kill some warrior cats? Legit. We go in. I need my lilac petal backup to be really brutal in this. Serious. Deadly. That's what we want. Did you know that this is a warning? 70%, now 75% of all jammers are warrior cats. In Alden, when it's packed of warrior cats, they do innocent new jammers and force them to like warrior cats, and that's how they're multiplying so fast. And I'm just like, come on. This is not handleable. You can't handle warrior cats. They ignore you. So, and if my calculations are right, Animal Jam should be packed jammed full of warrior cats by 2017. Every jammer should be a warrior cat. Except me. And they'll hate me. They'll report me, and then AJ will ban me. Meaning my doom in Animal Jam is 2017. Late 2017. So, probably some in here. If I'm right. So, this is why at Lilac Petal Backups Den or Lilac Petal 86. Oh, pairs. Sure. Why not? We can play pairs. If my computer will load. Because I am playing on my bad computer right now. Which is super bad. Okay, pairs. Find a match. How'd she do that? What? What the? Here? Wait, I saw that diamond. Diamond. Oh yeah. What? How do you play that? How did she? I think it was like this and that. I think this is cheating. I think that she's cheating. She can't just do that legit. Yeah, this is cheating. This is 100% cheating. So, she's a cheater. I am 100% sure that she hacked AJ to do that. Look at this. Warrior Cats. Are you kidding me? Have you noticed that little accent in my voice? I'm British. I am part British, yes. Look at this. I constantly want to speak British. Radio. Let's see. Freddy Bear, no! That was your time to shine! Take out the Warrior Cats with little Einstein rainbows. Little Einstein rainbow power. That is not a thing, I am pretty sure. Anyway, little Einstein rainbow power to the max. I'm hunting Warrior Cats. What's this? I know eventually I'll find one of you. Oh, Jaguar 40. Lilac Petal, can you please attack Jaguar 40? What? That was creepy. Where's Magical the Gem 8?